vaccines issue, there was, I think, a comment last week from couple of scientists who said the testing ground for the new vaccines will be Africa. To be honest, I was so appalled, and it was a time when I said, when we needed solidarity, this kind of racist remarks actually would not help. It goes against the solidarity. Africa cannot and will not be a testing ground for any vaccine. We will follow all the rules to test any vaccine or therapeutics all over the world using exactly the same rule. Whether it's in Europe, Africa, or wherever, we will use the same protocol, and if there is a need to be tested elsewhere, to treat human beings the same way, equally. And the hangover from a colonial mentality has to stop. And WHO will not allow this to happen. And it was a disgrace, actually, and appalling to hear during the 21st century from scientists that kind of remark. And we condemn this with the strongest terms possible. But we assure you that this will not happen in Africa and will not happen elsewhere in any country. Proper protocols will be followed, and human beings will be treated as human beings, because we are all human beings. Issues targeted at me, personally, I don't mind. I prefer to really focus on saving lives. I said it many times. We're losing people. Why would I care about being attacked when people are dying? Compare the two. We're losing lives every minute. Please remember, more than 60,000 deaths. I'm not sure if that number is accurate. I would expect that we estimate that we have more deaths. Why would anyone in the right conscience think about his personal attack, ignoring the bigger challenge we're facing as humanity? My focus is saving lives. We don't do politics in WHO. We don't. We care for the poor. We care for those who are vulnerable. And we regret when we lose lives. That's where we should focus. I'm an individual. I'm no better than anyone who is suffering from COVID. I don't care who says what about me. I would prefer to focus on saving lives. No time to waste. How many more deaths would I like to see? I can't. Why would I worry about myself when the number of deaths is increasing? Who am I to make my personality before the deaths of all around the world? That's why I said, maybe you have followed my Twitter messages, humility. And compassion. And care. And big heart for those who are suffering and for the families who have lost their loved ones. I can tell you personal attacks that has been going on for more than 2-3 months. Abuses, or racist comments, giving me names, black or negro, I'm proud of being black or proud of being Negro, because that Negro is black, black is black. And I'm proud. I don't care, to be honest. And thank you for asking that question. Maybe for the first time I would make this public. Even death threat, I don't give a damn, because it's personally targeted to me. 3 months in the same situation. What makes me sad is, I said it last presser, when the whole black community was insulted, when Africa was insulted, then I don't tolerate. Then I say people are crossing the line. When it's personal, even death threats, I didn't care. I didn't even respond. When as community people start to insult us, that's enough. That's enough. We cannot tolerate that. But since I don't have any inferiority complex when I am personally affected or attacked by racial slurs, I don't care, because I am a very proud black person or Negro. I don't care being called even Negro. I am. That's what came from some quarters. And if you want me to be specific, 3 months ago, this attack came from Taiwan. We need to be honest. I will be straight today. From Taiwan. And Taiwan, the foreign ministry also, they know the campaign. They didn't dissociate themselves. They even started criticizing me in the middle of all that insult and slur. But I didn't care. 3 months. I say it today because it's enough. But still, they can continue. I don't care. Yeah.